Hey, what's up, guys? This is a 2016 green switches. They feel really good. They type real accurately. There's only one problem, just really loud. I got this refurbished though. $59.99. That has a nice bounce to it, but it's really loud. So that's the only thing I don't like. They all sound like that. They all give that clack. I don't like that. This is bombed out. I don't like that. But the features I like is I can use FN, dim, make it brighter. Let me lower the light. Sorry. There we go. See, they're really bright. See this play with the function key. It's really dim. Make it bright. It illuminates on the side. So yeah, you can grab it if you don't find the noise annoying, but it's great for gaming. It has a nice feel to it. The keys feel nice. The bump's great. It's just really too noisy. I prefer the orange. These are green switches. So yeah, that's about it. Peace.